Let's be real, darling. Betrayal don't just break trust in others. It makes you question yourself. But hear me, you ain't crazy. You ain't naive. You were loving. And today, we rebuild that scarred trust in the woman looking back at you in the mirror. Today's episode is called Rebuilding Self-Trust After Betrayal. Because healing ain't the end, it's the overflow. Our scripture for today is Proverbs chapter 3, verses 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord and lean not unto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct your path. Hey there, sis. Welcome back to Healed and Overflowing, the podcast where women rise from the rubble, find their voice again, and learn to pour, not from emptiness, but from a place that's been healed and made whole. I'm your host, Gwen Ashford, and today we're digging into something tender but real necessary. How to trust yourself again after betrayal. See, healing ain't just about moving on from what they did to. It's about learning how to believe in the woman you are now, even when you didn't see it coming. Let's go ahead and name it. Betrayal don't just break your trust in them, it shakes up your trust in you. You find yourself asking, how to miss the sign? Why did I stay so long? How could I let them get that close? And baby, here's the part nobody tells you. Self-blame is betrayal's sneaky little side. It'll have you second guessing your spirit, your smart, your worth. But lean in close. You didn't betray you, they did. You gave love. You saw the best. You were loyal to a fault. That ain't weakness, sugar. That's integrity. Proverbs 3, 5 through 6 tell us, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding. Now that's a word, 'cause sometimes betrayal don't make a lick of sense. The math just don't be mathing. And trying to figure out why they did what they did, that won't heal you. But trusting God to carry you through it, that sure will. You're not broken because you missed the red flags. You're not foolish for falling hard. You're human, and you're still worthy of self-trust, still worthy of peace, still worthy of rebuilding something beautiful inside you. Now let's talk about what it looks like to start trusting yourself again. It don't always come with fireworks or big speeches. Sometimes it's quiet, sacred, like a whisper in your chest that says, you got this. Here's a few signs your self-trust is growing back. You stop questioning your gut all the time. You say no without feeling guilty about it. You listen when your body tenses around certain folks. You set boundaries without needing a court case. You stop begging folks to see your worth. You already know it. Rebuilding trust in yourself don't have to be loud. It's a slow, holy return to your own voice. Sis, hear me now. You can trust you again. Yes, you. The woman who saw the signs but kept hoping. The woman who stayed when she should have left. The woman who loved with her whole chest and got hurt for. You can trust that you who's wiser now. The you who won't ignore her gut no more. The you who can say never again, not from bitterness, but from boundaries. You're not the broken woman anymore. You're built different now, built stronger, built wiser, built with discernment and grace. and your healed self. She deserves your full belief. So take a deep breath, sis, and soak this in. You are not a mistake. You are not broken. And you are not too late to start trusting yourself again. If this episode met you in a sore place, don't keep it to yourself. Send it to a sis who's struggling to believe in herself again. Subscribe, leave a little love in the
Until next
review,
time, keep
and
healing,
stay with me
keep
for more
rising,
conversations
and keep
that
learning to
speak
pour
to
from
the
your
woman
overflow.
you're becoming.